Show that the points A 5, 6, B 1, 5, C 2, 1 and D 6, 2 are the vertices of a square. So we need to prove that it is all the vertices are the vertices of a square. So here to prove that it's a square, I'll prove all sides are equal. Length of all the sides are AB equals BC equals CD equals DA. See, if all sides are equal, then there are two chances. It may be a rhombus or square. So I'll prove diagonals are equal. Then it will be a square. If diagonals are not equal, it will be a rhombus. First, we need to prove all sides are equal. So ABCD 4 vertices are given. So first, what I'll do, I'll find the distance of A 5, 6, B 1, 5. So x1, y1, x2, y2. I'll use the distance formula under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now if you'll observe here, AB distance under root x2 1 minus x1 5 whole square, y2 is 5 minus 6 whole square, 1 minus 5 is minus 4 whole square, 5 minus 6 is minus 1 whole square. Minus 4 whole square is minus into minus plus 4 square is 16. Minus 1 whole square is 1. So root 17 units. AB is root 17. Now I'll find BC. B is 1, 5. C is 2, 1. Now x1, y1, x2, y2. So BC, if we'll substitute the values in the formula, x2 is 2 minus x1 is 1, y2 is 1, y1 is 5, so minus 5 whole square. 2 minus 1 is 1 whole square, 1 minus 5 is minus 4. 1 square is 1 minus 4 whole square is 16. So root 17 units. Next AB, BC. Now I'll find CD. C is 2, 1. D is 6, 2. So here x1, y1, x2, y2. Now CD distance CD under root x2 6 minus x1 is 2 whole square, y2 is 2, y1 is 1 whole square. 6 minus 2 is 4 square, 2 minus 1 is 1 square. So 16 plus 1, 17 units. AB, BC, CD, all three are equal lengths, root 17. Now DA. D is 6, 2. A is 5, 6. Now I need to find distance of DA. x1, y1, x2, y2. Now DA distance, DA equals under root x2 minus x1, 5 minus 6 whole square, 6 minus 2 whole square. 5 minus 6 is minus 1 whole square. 6 minus 2 is 4 square. Minus 1 whole square is 1. 4 square is 16. root 17 units. See, now I got all sides are equal. AB, BC, CD, DA. All are root 17 units. So there are two chances. It may be a square or rhombus. So we need to check for diagonals. So I'll find AC distance and BD distance. AC and BD. So clearly here A is 5 comma 6, C is 2 comma 1, B is 1 comma 5, D is 6 comma 2. So this is x1 y1, x2 y2. So AC distance under root x2 minus x1, 2 minus 5 whole square, 1 minus 6 whole square. 2 minus 5 is minus 3 square, 1 minus 6 is minus 5 square. So this is 9 and this is 25. So minus 5 whole square is 25. 25 plus 9 is 34 units. Root 34 units. Next, BD distance. Under root x2 6 minus x1 1, y2 2 minus y1 5. 6 minus 1 is 5 square, 2 minus 5 is minus 3 square. So it is 25 plus 9, root 34 units. So all sides are equal. All sides are equal, that is root 17 units, and diagonals are also equal. That is root 34 units. Therefore ABCD is a square. ABCD is a square.